In our previous video, we learned about how to use Eslint to solve or fix our problems by running the command yarn lint -- fix in our terminal. To optimize Eslint, we do not always want to be going to our terminal to type in yarn lint -- fix. We want the VS Code to let us know as we type our code the errors that we are going to be making. Now to do that, we'll have to integrate Eslint with VS Code so that anytime we make errors in our code, we will be immediately alerted without going to our terminal to type in yarn lint or yarn lint -- fix. How do we do this? We go to the extensions panel, this extensions icon on our left, and then in our search we type in Eslint. Once you have Eslint, open it and then make sure you install it. Now this extension is enabled globally. With Eslint installed and integrated into our VS Code, anytime we make an error during our code or during the periods where we'll be writing our code, VS Code is going to immediately alert us. Let's take an example. Inside my view, if I decide to change the star.list and type in flex1 as an inline style, Eslint is going to immediately prompt me that no inline styles, which is amazing. So this is actually how we optimize Eslint in VS Code.